Gregory Johnson. We have Stephanie here with us this morning, and Stephanie's been having some neck pain and headaches and upper back pain and pain going down into her mid back and the side of her spine and occasional low back pain. So we're going to evaluate her and adjust her today. So let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. We've already done the orthopedic neurological exam on her initially. Okay, and then back to neutral. There we go. Now for you ladies that flip your hair like Stephanie just did, that causes neck problems. Because when you flip your hair like that, you're moving your neck real quick, and it a lot of times will pop out of place or move out of place. Mm-hmm. You feel your neck popping sometimes when you do that? Yep. Okay, her posture's not looking too bad today actually. A little bit forward and to the right on your neck, but your pelvis is much better. It's lined up down the center. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do on her is the ring dinger today. So let's lay you on your back here. Pelvis there, legs down this way. Yeah, slide down just a little bit more where your hips are at. There we go, perfect. People get out of place for all different reasons. Some people have accidents. Some people just sit wrong over a long period of time, stand wrong over a long period of time, bend and lift, twist over a long period of time.
Dance, car accident.
Car accidents is a biggie. Mm-hmm. There we go. Good job.
I felt that all the way down.
Weightlifting using wrong biomechanical posture is also another biggie, and she's got really good. I'll be quiet when I'm adjusting it so y'all crack eggs can get your fix today. That's a cervical modified rotary brake, which I learned at Palmer College of Chiropractic in Davenport, Iowa. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy. The decompression adjustment I learned post Palmer College of Chiropractic, and I'm really one of the only guys in the world that does that anymore. I'm not sure why. I think some are scared to do it. Okay, legs are even, but most of our patients, that's their favorite adjustment, including Stephanie's.
Yes, my neck.
So we're going to adjust her SI joints. Her legs are even today though, so that's a good start. Yep.
Coming every week.
There we go. Good. There we go. Good. Oh boy, home run. Yes, ma'am. You're very cooperative today. Good. One more. Yep. Okay. You're going to feel your head pop up just a little bit next to yourself. Now this adjustment's a P to A adjustment where I'm sliding the facet joints back into a proper cervical forward lordosis. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, honey. I feel better already.
Yes.
Okay. See, we're bringing her head up and posteriorly now. Again, helping to restore the cervical curve in her cervical spine. Slide down this way a little bit for me. And put your arms straight out to the sides. And now I'm going to be adjusting her shoulder joints, her AC joints. Her clavicles where they attach to the sternum bilaterally, and then her costosternal joints right where the ribs meet the sternum in the front. There, boy, that one moved good. You feel that?
That's where it's.
That's where it's been sore?
So sore.
Boy, that moved really good though.
Yeah, I felt that.
I don't know if y'all heard that on the video or not, but that actually made a pretty loud audible. There we go.
Okay.
That's better. Okay, let's sit you up. Face that away now. Good job. Okay. Shoulders definitely off a little. There we go. Not anymore. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
My body is very
You're
willing
being
to
awfully
be popped today.
cooperative today. That's right. You're gonna be one of the crack addicts' favorites. We had a couple of crack addicts come over here from San Antonio earlier today from watching our YouTube videos.
It's about a 3.5-hour drive.
Yep. I ring-dinged them both. They
Luckily, I live
in Houston.
right, so my posture is good because I've been seeing Dr. Johnson every other day, mostly.
Yes, it still shoots you after all those nice words.
Right.
Okay. Let's take a look at you again. Forward and backwards. And then neutral. I'll hold your hair for you. Yep, take a look. See, it's this right side that you still tilt off a little bit, but not as bad. So let's do that, and just right here, you'll feel a little tap right there, and another little tap right there. Good, okay. Now let's try that same thing again.
Very
Better,
smooth.
yep, good. So Stephanie, after being a patient here for a few weeks, what would you tell our YouTube subscribers about your experience here?
I would definitely recommend Dr. Johnson to anybody because I've seen several chiropractors in the past and they always did the same exact thing over and over again.
With twisting you on your side.
Right, and it was just the same routine. And here he works with every single bone and joint and nerve and anything in your body. So I really needed my rib cage opened up, and my other chiropractors wouldn't do that. So you kind of gave me, the knowledge that, know.
That could be done even, huh?
Yes, and very much trusted you with all this. So
thank you. That's
you're
a very kind
welcome.
words, and thank you for doing that video. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.